Hello everyone, welcome to my Tap Essentials series where I teach some more tap steps. So for this video we will be learning how to do a Maxie Ford. There are 4 components to this step. There's a step, a shuffle, a jump, and a toe tap. Make sure that you make 5 beats or sounds when you do the Maxie Ford. Make sure that you shuffle to the side. Also, keep your heels off of the floor. It's practice time. Speed it up. Do that one more time. Try it even faster. Try doing the Maxie Ford on the other foot. Practice time. Speed it up. And do that one more time, going even faster. For this video, we will be learning how to do Maxie Fords. I hope that if you want to learn how to do tap dancing, but you're not starting because you're afraid that without tap shoes you can't get started, I'm here to encourage you to start even without tap shoes. You can be learning how to do this in your socks, in your tennis shoes, whatever type of footwear you're most comfortable with. You can still be learning how to tap dance until you are able to then get some tap shoes. So please don't let that stop you from learning to tap. Get started in your stockings if need be.